Today, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a component in Webflow. This is incredibly useful when you want to reuse design elements across different pages or create variations of existing components without starting from scratch. First, open your web browser and navigate to webflow.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials to access your account. After logging in, you'll land on your Webflow dashboard where you can see all your projects from the dashboard. Select the site where you want to duplicate components and click Open in Webflow. Alternatively, if you're starting fresh, you can create a new blank site to work with. Once your site is open in the Webflow Designer, look over to the left sidebar. Here you'll find various tools and options for managing your site. Click on the Components icon to access your component library. This is where all your reusable design elements are stored and organized. In the left panel, you'll now see a complete list of all your components. These might include headers, footers, navigation bars, cards, or any other elements you've created as components. Take a moment to locate the specific component you want to duplicate. For instance, if you're looking to duplicate a footer, scroll through the list and click on it to select it. Now that you've selected your component, right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options for managing the component. From this menu, select Duplicate. This action creates an exact copy of your component, which you can then modify or use elsewhere in your project without affecting the original. If you need to duplicate more components, simply repeat these steps for each one. Select the component from the list, right-click on it, and choose Duplicate. This workflow makes it easy to create multiple variations or backups of your design elements quickly. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated components in Webflow, giving you more flexibility and efficiency in your design process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.